coming. Non-metallic acid, they reacts with the rain that falls and they get converted into sulfuric acid and nitric acid and thus causes acid rain. Clear what is acid rain? And these acids are, we know that acids are corrosive in nature, no? So this acid rain has various consequences on the aquatic life, on the monuments of country, even on human life. Okay, so I think this is clear to you. Now let us go back to our slide. What we were discussing. See, here is an example. Here I have given this picture. See this picture? It will be clear to you. Okay, see this picture. These factories, here what happened in factories? In different factories, fossil fuels are used. Okay, and through this chimney, the smoke is given out. This smoke contains what? This smoke contains nitrogen trioxide and sulfur dioxide. And when it rains, and these gases carried away by what? Carried away by wind. Okay, and when it rains, these gases mix with what? This rain and makes the rainwater acidic. And when this rainwater falls on aquatic life, on different monuments, on vegetation, what will happen? All this will suffer. Okay, the vegetation is going to suffer, the aquatic life is going to suffer, and even the monuments, even the historical monuments are suffering the consequences of this acid rain. Okay. So this is a picture. This is a picture which describes how acid rain is formed. The chimneys, through the chimneys of the different factories, these gases are coming out, and what happens? This mixes up with the water and forms acid and make the air acidic and make the water acidic. And this is what acid rain means. Okay. Next, let us move to the next slide. See, we all know that the color of Taj Mahal is what? White. But due to the corrosion that is caused by the acid rain, this has become what? Yellow, because it is limestone. It is made up of limestone, and when acid falls on that, a salt is formed, and that salt is yellow in color. So the Taj Mahal has, the beauty of Taj Mahal has been depleted by this acid rain. Okay. Next. See, another important damage that this fossil fuel is causing is that increase in the concentration of greenhouse gases. Okay, so we all know what greenhouse effect is. Greenhouse effect is that there are certain gases like carbon dioxide, methane, then water vapor, ozone, and CFCs. These all are what? These all are greenhouse gases. And what is the function of this gas? The function of this gas is to keep our earth warm, and it is very important. Otherwise, life on earth will not exist. So this is very important. But what happens? Due to the increased concentration of all these gases, the temperature of our earth is rising day by day. Up to certain extent, it is okay. It is required for the existence of life. But the increased concentration has caused the temperature of the earth to rise, and this is causing what? This is causing your